I put 5 of the most talked about drones through real-world testing. From a beginner-friendly sub-250-gram option that requires 0 FAA registration, all the way up to the most capable dual-camera drone money can buy right now. One of these genuinely changed how I think about aerial photography. One of them is available for under $300 and still shoots 4K. And one of them is the drone that professional videographers have been calling their daily driver for the past 6 months straight. Let's hack this, guys. Starting the list at number 1 with the drone that independent reviewers have unanimously called the best all-around consumer drone under $1,000 in 2026, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. After logging over 6 hours of real-world airtime across 7 countries, the verdict is clear. For 80% of buyers, travelers, hobbyists, content creators, and enthusiast photographers, this is the drone. The Mini 4 Pro weighs just under 249 grams, which means in the United States you are not required to register with the FAA for recreational use. Pull it out of your bag, set it up in under a minute, and fly. No paperwork, no bureaucracy. The camera is the real headline. A 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures 48 megapixel photos and shoots 4K at up to 100 frames per second with 4K/60 frames per second HDR support. A unique feature, the gimbal rotates 45 degrees for true vertical 4K shooting, giving you genuine portrait mode aerial footage that goes straight to Instagram or TikTok without any cropping. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance protects the drone from every direction using a system that wraps vision sensors around the entire body, a major leap over the tri-directional sensing of the previous generation. ActiveTrack 360 keeps a moving subject locked in frame automatically. The O4 video transmission system delivers a stable 1080p live feed, up to 12.4 miles from the controller. Real-world flight time comes in at 28 to 31 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge. At number 2, the one for the creator who needs the absolute best camera quality and the most advanced obstacle avoidance technology available in a consumer drone, the DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S is DJI's best flying camera drone as of 2026. That is not a claim. That is the verdict of the drone reviewers who have flown it back-to-back against the Mavic 3 Pro and the Inspire 3. The dual camera system is the core advantage. The primary wide-angle camera uses a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the largest in any consumer DJI drone, with a 50 megapixel resolution and an f1.8 aperture at a 24mm equivalent focal length. The secondary medium telephoto camera uses a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor at 48 megapixels and a 70mm equivalent focal length with 3 times optical zoom. Both cameras deliver 14 stops of dynamic range and 4K at 60 frames per second. The telephoto camera also shoots 4K at 120 frames per second for stunning slow motion. Both support 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles for professional grading. At number 3, the one that makes the strongest case for a budget drone from a non-DJI brand, the Holystone HS720E. Holystone has been building consumer drones since 2014, and the HS720E represents their most refined budget offering. It is powered by brushless motors, a significant upgrade over the brushed motors found in cheaper alternatives, which translates to quieter flight, better wind resistance, longer motor lifespan, and improved stability in moderate breezes. The camera uses a genuine Sony CMOS sensor and records in 4K at 3840 by 2160 resolution with electronic image stabilization that reduces the jitter and blur that typically plagues budget drones without mechanical gimbals. A 130-degree field of view captures wide, sweeping landscapes cleanly. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. New drone reviews every day on TechHack. Subscribe and never miss a drop. At number 4, the one that proves DJI's entry level is still better than most brands' best, the DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is DJI's most affordable drone, and it still delivers in ways that competitors at the same price simply cannot. It weighs under 249 grams, no FAA registration required, and shoots 4K at 30 frames per second through a genuine 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth, stable footage in all conditions. The 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, with dual native ISO fusion, captures genuinely impressive dynamic range for a sub-$300 drone. True vertical shooting is built in. The gimbal physically rotates 90 degrees for portrait mode aerial video, ready for social media without any cropping. Up to 38 minutes of flight time on a standard battery gives you real shooting windows. QuickShot's automated flight modes, Droney, Helix, Rocket, Circle, and Boomerang produce cinematic results at the press of a button. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to TechHack. Something new to find every single day. And closing the list, at number 5, the one that genuinely shocked the beginner drone community when it launched and continues to impress, the Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE weighs just 245 grams, under the 249-gram FAA registration threshold, and packs a 1/3-inch Sony CMOS sensor that shoots 12 megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second, with shake-vanish electronic image stabilization. The foldable design collapses small enough to slip into a jacket pocket. Brushless motors deliver level 5 wind resistance, stable enough for outdoor flights in moderate conditions that would ground most other budget drones. GPS-assisted flight with auto return to home, follow me mode, and waypoint planning give beginners serious functionality without requiring any technical knowledge. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. Best overall, sub 250 grams, 4K/100 frames per second. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, active track 360, true vertical shooting, and the most trusted drone under $1,000 in 2026. Number 2, DJI Air 3S, best camera drone. Dual 1-inch and 1 over 1.3-inch cameras, 14 stops of dynamic range, forward LiDAR obstacle avoidance, 41-minute flight time, and DJ, AI's best flying drone to date. Number 3, Holystone HS720E, best budget non-DJI drone. Sony sensor, 4K EIS, GPS, brushless motors, intelligent flight modes, and 46 minutes of flight time with the Fly More kit. Number 4, DJI Mini 3, best entry-level DJI, sub 250 grams, 4K mechanical gimbal, true vertical shooting, 38-minute flight time, and DJI's quality at an accessible price. Number 5, Potensic Atom SE, best beginner drone, 245 grams, Sony sensor, 4K EIS, level 5 wind resistance, 62-minute total flight time with 2 batteries and 0 registration required. All 5 links are in the description, numbered in exactly this order. Drop a comment below. Which drone are you flying in 2026? I read every single one. I will catch you in the next one.